What's going on, guys? Back at it again with a brand new video. Now in today's video is going to be a Bitcoin update video, looking at the news, looking at the charts, and seeing what is next. So if you guys have been in crypto as of recently, you saw a massive pump in Bitcoin and crypto to the upside, a big pump. Now without any further ado, let's jump right into the charts and what I believe is going to happen next. Now, this is not financial advice. Let's go right into the charts. So the first thing is we saw Bitcoin is currently sitting at 67,153. Now, as of the recent days, we saw a massive rally towards the upside, all the way from 60,000 all the way to 67.9 thousand. That was the high, and I believe that more is coming soon. And the reason for this is because we closed daily above the previous swing high, which was sitting at 66,230, and we closed above it. Now this means that this bigger downtrend has potentially been broken. There might have been a break in structure. Now I'll have more confirmation if we break above this descending line of resistance, which we are currently retesting. If we break above this and close above this, then the next target is sitting at 70,000, and that's the previous swing high in the market, right? If we break that, then all-time highs are coming, and more bullish and euphoria is going to come in the market for sure. Now, if we break this downtrend, this could send us all the way back to 74,000, if not more. I think the bullish target is 90 to 100,000. But without any further ado, let's jump into the liquidation heat maps, which will tell us the levels that we have to look at and the levels at which short squeeze can happen, right? So on today, on the 24-hour chart for liquidation heat map, we saw that there really isn't a lot of liquidity. There's a bit of liquidity to the downside, but nothing major. It is possible that we come sweep it, but it's not guaranteed just because of how low this liquidation is, 67 million. But if we go in the 6 months, right? So if we go in the 6-month chart, we're going to see something a lot more interesting. So as of yesterday, we took out this big area of liquidation sitting 67,166, which is the current price where we are sitting at. Now we took out a lot of this liquidity. Now most of the liquidity is sitting at 70,000, just like we mentioned the previous level, which is the next level is going to be around the 70,000 level, because this is the previous swing high if we cancel out this one. So this does make sense. This means that there's going to be a lot of shorts that are going to be liquidated here, potentially propelling us to the next level here, which once we do reach is going to cause further liquidations to the upside, because right now most of the liquidations are to the upside and there's multi-billion-dollar shorts that are going to be closing soon. Now it is very likely we come grab this liquidity because Bitcoin tends to be attracted to liquidity, kind of like a magnet. Now, let's jump right into the news. The first thing is obviously the elections are coming very soon. So in 19 days, 13 hours, and 58 minutes, the election is going to take place. And now the odds of the elections are actually in favor of Trump, as we can see. As of 2 hours ago, Trump was leading by 16.4%. And guys, you have to remember, Kamala wants to tax you on your unrealized gains. Trump wants to make Bitcoin a national reserve. Obviously, we want Trump. The day is coming soon. And right now, Trump is leading heavy. That could be a potential reason why the market is so bullish, is because now the odds of Trump winning are so high. And a lot of people know what is to come with Trump. That's why they're preparing, they're loading their bags. Okay, so that makes a lot of sense. This is very, very good. Obviously, we want Trump to win. So October in the halving years, what we're seeing is every time there's a halving, there's a big pump. Obviously, that makes sense because the supply is cut essentially in half. So this, of course, is nothing new. Now, something I do want to talk about, which is very interesting, is looking at the inflows and the ETF outflows, right? Yesterday, Bitcoin ETF saw 371 million in inflow. So right now, this has been one of the highest 3 consecutive days of inflows for Bitcoin, which means that people that are buying into the ETFs have a bullish sentiment right now. We actually see there's not a lot of red. Most of it is in the green, meaning institutions and retail buyers are basically accumulating, which is another very bullish thing. And now here we have another chart showing the elections and the markets, especially Bitcoin. We saw that every time there was a election started the next parabola for crypto to the upside. So the next euphoric crazy gains start usually after the elections. So that is it for today. If Bitcoin maintains its momentum to the upside and we continuously break the next highs, which currently is this descending line of resistance, which currently sits at 67,600. If we break and confirm above that, very bullish. If we break above 70,000, very, very bullish. That will be the next big move to the upside. So please make sure to like, subscribe if you haven't, comment down below any video ideas you have in mind, and please make sure to check out my channel that does crypto updates down in the description. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.